The plan must continue.
There we go.
Okay, Freddy, what's our next plan?
We should get back Chica, but I don't know where she is.
This plan is foolproof. I'm sure they'll fall for it. There, all better. Now you have to do my bidding. Excellent.
Nothing is better than friendship.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Oops.
No!
Sorry, Spring.
I will kill you!